Here's a close-up look at the vintage Coach Nicholas Drawstring bag, style number 9946 in the color British Tan. And this bag was made in 1994 in the United States. And what's great about this bag is it still has the original price tag attached, so it's in really nicely preserved vintage condition. So here's the price tag. It says Coach on the outside, and then it's got information about the bag on the inside, like the style number, tan for British Tan, the color of the bag, and it says Nicholas Drawstring. So it's been really nicely preserved over the years. It also has the matching hang tag that says Coach on both sides. And like the name suggests, it is a drawstring bag. So it does have a drawstring closure here up top. And it's also got a strap here that is adjustable. So here's where you could adjust the strap. And it's got brass hardware as well, as you can see. So I'll show you, here's the front of the bag again. Here's a side view. Here's the back of the bag. It's got a split seam down, a split vertical seam down the middle of the bag. It has that same seam on the front and back, as you can see. And then it's also, here's what the bottom looks like. And then when we remove the tissue paper and packing paper, here's what the inside of the bag looks like. It does have one hanging zip pocket, as you can see. It's got a little zip compartment here on the pocket, and then here's the creed. I'll insert a close-up photo of the creed as well, so you can maybe see a little bit better than it will easily pick up on video. So that is the Nicholas Drawstring bag. It's just a beautiful bag in this nice, rich British tan color, and it's in really nice vintage condition, so I wanted to share it with you. And it is available now in our online store, shop.cristinamoda.com. I will leave a link to it below in the description box in case you wanted to check it out further. We also have many other vintage Coach items in our online store right now, so I will leave a link below to our store as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.